Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are gonna learn how to make this beautiful champion glasses. These are super easy to make and I know everyone will be able to do it if you all give it a try. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. These are the materials that we'll be requiring for this DIY. To begin with, we take both the glasses. We take a cello tape and tape all around the edge of the glass. This is to prevent the paint from spreading. We do it on the other glass as well. First we'll do the bride. For that we require white paint. I dip the brush and I make the pattern that I wish to do. You can also make your own patterns. I'm doing a V for the dress. And then after doing a pattern, paint the rest of the glass with white color. After painting the entire glass, allow it to dry, and after drying you gently remove the cello tape. Be careful and see, after removing, see the edges, it looks clean, so that's why we apply the cello tape. Next I take a knitted material. Here I have taken a knitted material, it has a beautiful border down there. So I apply glue gun. You can apply the hot glue gun from where you want the dress to start, and then take the material and gently pleat it and apply all along the glue gun. This is for the dress. Be careful while applying, see that you don't burn your hands because the glue gun is very hot. After finishing, you gently press the edges so that the net will not come out. Next, to hide the edges and to give it a clean appearance, you apply glue gun on the edge and take a ribbon and go along the glue gun. Go along where you have applied the glue gun. Instead of the ribbon, you can use any other decorative material of your choice. To add details, I am using a bow here and taking glitter. I am applying it all along the dress here in a drop fashion. Again, you can use any of the decorative material of your choice. You can be as creative as you wish. After detailing, allow it to dry and our glass is now ready. After finishing the bride's glass, let's move on to the groom's glass. I have already applied the tape in the beginning. I'm taking the glue here and making pattern. Taking a glitter powder, I'm applying wherever I have applied the glue. Remove the excess glitter powder by gently tapping on the glass. Taking a brush, I'm gently removing excess of glitter. Allow it to dry and then paint the entire glass using a black paint. Be careful where you have applied the glitter, not to apply it directly on the glitter. After painting, allow it to dry and then remove the sellotape. Gently remove it. Here also, to decorate the glass, I am using a bow. And here both the glasses are ready. Isn't it beautiful? Hope you like it. Do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.